Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a beautiful 2014 Harley-Davidson Sportster I want to show you. This is the XL 1200T. It's the touring model of the Sportster. It's a new model for 2014. And this bike has got less than 100 miles on it. It's just like new. It comes from the factory with this detachable windshield. It has the floorboards here, the rider floorboards. That's from the factory on this model. It's mid-mount controls. It also comes with these really nice molded leather bags, lockable bags. And it's got the docking hardware here if you wanted to put a backrest with a luggage rack. Also comes with a touring style seat. Amazing bike. It has had an upgrade up here, a couple upgrades with this black powder coated engine guard and the fully adjustable highway pegs. Those are both add-ons. But you can see everything is it's just like new. It's got 98 miles on it, I think. It's big blue pearl and white. I'm sorry, not big blue pearl, midnight pearl and white. And this paint, you can see the metallic in it out here in the sun. But in the shade, it actually looks black. This bike is just immaculate. 1200cc air-cooled twin V-twin, 5-speed transmission. You see here it's got 98 miles on it. Factory exhaust, so it runs quietly. We ran it through our shop, but it just didn't need a thing. Qualifies for some excellent financing and extended warranties. If you'd like to know more about it, you can call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. You can go online and see our complete inventory of good, clean, used motorcycles at cleanharleys.com. We take almost anything in on trade, and we routinely sell and ship bikes all over the planet, so it would be easy to put this one in your driveway. And this is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.